Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Vero and in today's tutorial I will do my everyday makeup routine, like the makeup I use when I get out, because I don't use makeup like every single day. Sometimes I prefer to have my face clean without makeup, only with my moisturizer. Well, I already apply my moisturizer. It's this one, Tolérance from Aven. After this, I will go with my primer from Fenty Beauty. I will apply a little bit here. I apply a little bit on my face, not too much, and I blending it. I'm a little bit sick and I don't feel really good. Okay. I don't like to use very heavy, like full coverage foundation on my everyday makeup. Sometimes I use a foundation and sometimes not. I like a lot using this foundation. I put a little bit here.
And I will do the same.
And I will blend it out with this brush.
I don't use too much product because I don't want it to be heavy, like I already said. And I don't really need a full coverage.
And when I don't use foundation, like I use only the Fit Me powder, is this one. Well, my foundation is ready. And I like a lot this concealer from Wet n Wild. This is the light medium. I apply a little bit here and here and on my nose. I still have the marks of my glasses on the nose. And I blend it with
this brush, I start blending everything.
I like to do it this way because like this my makeup is not gonna be heavy. Like I really don't like to feel my face cakey and everything. After applying the concealer, I like to fix everything with this powder from Chanel, La Poudre Libre Universelle. So I will take a little bit of product and I start applying it like this. So after fixing everything under my eyes, I go like this on the powder and I do this all over my face, not with the hairs. Now I will do my brows. And I have here the only two brushes I need. And this shade, oh sorry, I use this palette, the Tartelette from Tarte, and the shade Power Player. It's the only one I like to use for my brows.
On the brows, I have the same story like on the face. I like my brows to be really light, really natural. So I just put a little bit of powder here and there, not too much. I don't want those crazy brows from Instagram. I like to have pretty natural brows.
So it's pretty much like this. I will go for a bronzer, but I like to use this bronzer. This one is from Maybelline 2, the Dream Sun. I take a little bit, I take off the excess and I start applying it like this.
Like only to have a little bit of color.
I will take a small brush, I will take some product, and I will apply it on the crease of my eyes. I have hooded eyes, so I just need to do this to make it look better. It's not a real makeup. My eyes this time. And after I go with this blush, I take off the excessive powder and I use the same brush I used for the bronzer, and I just apply a little bit in here. I will take this little boy right here and I will start curling my brow. I will curl my lashes a little bit because I wear glasses and I need my lashes to be like on back. And voila! And after I go with this mascara, Worth the Hype from NYX. Okay, and the last step, it's this, a lip gloss. Like, I don't like to use lipsticks and nothing. I just put a little bit on my lips. And this is it. Sometimes I will apply maybe maybe sometimes I highlight my face like a little bit, but I don't usually need this. So this is the final look. I will have to clean this. So this is the way I do my makeup every day. It's really easy to do, and when I don't use foundation and I use only the powder, like, it's even more easy. And on the end, usually I look like this. And yeah, this is how I look like. I suppose the lights are very tricky with this. So I hope you guys like my video. Don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell to get notification every time I upload a new video. I hope you guys have a very nice day and see you on the next one. Bye!